So I will take one by one regarding the operating profit part. Yes, you are right. But having said that, there are a couple of points which I want to mention to you. One is the COVID period for many organizations all across the globe. It has been the cost was depressed, and there was an operating profit benefit to all the companies across, which cannot be compared with a normal business period what we are going through with lot of complexity and lot of variability, as you are aware of. With respect to Bidol, if you have seen that there had been a conscious effort in the Indian domestic market in terms of our brand building, in terms of our operational improvements through digitalization. Now, these are big investments which we have done, whether be it in S4HANA, be it in brand association with Saurav Ganguly, be it in IPL partnership. Now, these are investments which we are doing currently for the future empowerment of our brand, which will be coming up in terms of our brand salience and our market penetration going forward. So I hope these kind of actions which we are taking today, and you have already mentioned yourself as a part of our strategies, the international footprint where we have worked similarly for few years earlier, we have now started gaining good traction. So I'm very confident that these actions, which are giving us a temporary depression in our operating areas, will give us much more in terms of our performance going forward. In terms of the Standard Grease Association and procurement, please understand that we do the entire, RPT as per the governing processes with three quotations, etc. Your point of buying directly from the oil refinery companies, national oil companies, we all have also we have direct contract with Indian Oil, with other supplier depending on the grade of the oil, base oil like S oil, like Exxon Mobil. So it's a procurement mix strategy where depending on the best prices as available, we are going with our selection of the supplier. One of them is Standard Grease, and it is all done from RPT angle as well as completely with arm's length process which is being followed. The last part of it is, yes, international business, we are very happy that it is showing a good progress. But having said that, as you also mentioned, it is one of our key pillars of our long-term strategy. And we see that although we have shown good progress at this point of time, there are, for an international brand like Bidol, there are a lot of opportunities going forward. So we will obviously invest and we will obviously focus more on the international business side. So thank you very much for your questions, and I hope I could address it in detail. Thanks.
Thank you, Arijit. Members,